Matt's Mobile Detailing, a small, locally owned automotive care business, knows what it means to always keep your car looking fresh and clean. As a racing fan at heart, Matt, the owner of Matt's Mobile Detailing, loves to share his passion for automotives with the local community by helping to keep others' cars in tip-top shape. With business starting to grow and the need for a more robust system than just Excel spreadsheets and phone calls to schedule meetings, we wanted to help Matt focus on more of what he likes to do, cleaning cars. In order to provide Matt with some of the key tools necessary, our team built him a front-facing customer solution to make his company more well-known to the community. This solution includes useful features where customers can view his brand, browse the services he offers, view reviews left by customers, and even schedule an appointment. In addition to those features, we built Matt an administrative dashboard where he and his employees will be able to view various business reports. These reports will assist with informed decision making, recording transactions within a database, and even having the ability to change the promotions he offers and manage inventory. With this new solution, Matt should be well on his way to interfacing better with the new customers for the summer season. Hello, my name is Christian Salomon and my partner is Edward Cisneros, and I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of the web application that we created for Matt's Mobile Detailing. So you'll see here, this is the home page of the application. So we've got Matt's branding up here, and then down here we've got a couple links to his social media profiles. So we've got his Facebook, his Instagram, and then his Snapchat. So the Snapchat doesn't have a link, but on hover it shows his username, but the Instagram does have a link to his page. So then you'll also notice schedule an appointment quick link, which takes you to the schedule appointment page. Then also we have contact information for Matt, both his email and his phone number. And then lastly, here are the current promotions that Matt is currently offering. So if his customers see this on the site, they can ask him about it when he's doing the detail and hopefully get half off a premium wash. Oh, and then also up here we have the navigation bar, which allows users to navigate throughout the entire site. So this button right here, or this link right here, brings them back to the home page, and then there's here are the other pages within this application. Alright, so next we have the services page, and can be accessed through this link right here. So this page is designed to just give Matt's customers a look at the different packages that he offers. So there's basic, medium, full, exterior, interior, and this just displays the additional features that each service includes. So after users decide exactly what service they want to go with, package, they can go directly to the schedule an appointment. The next page is the reviews page, and it's pretty self-explanatory, but it just includes some reviews left by Matt's loyal customers. So you can provide the star rating and then a little description similar to Amazon. And then it also has the quick button to schedule an appointment. Right, so this is the schedule appointment page where the user is going to add in their information. So they're creating the appointment request here, so they'll first add in their first name, last name, city of residence, state of residence, zip code, phone number, email, and then the type of car that they have, make, model, color, the license plate number, and the license plate state. And also it has the ability to look up users if you are a previous customer, and you can just select a drop down based on your card. So let's go. So now we will proceed to the next part of the video where you will add in the proposed appointment time. Okay, so now that we have all of the proposed appointment time and the location of the service, we will submit the appointment request, and then so in here we just have drop downs for the different times available. So we'll move it to 8:15 in the morning, have an early appointment. Then next we're going to submit the request. So this is the appointment confirmation page. So this, you're just receiving a receipt that your appointment request has been submitted to Matt for approval. And this just includes just a summary of the appointment information that you submitted. So the location, time, then your information and your appointment number. Next is the frequently asked questions page. So on this page, and then there's a link that's in the footer that is on every single page within the customer portal. And it just allows users to come here and get an answer to some of the questions that Matt gets asked most frequently. See here that these expand and can be minimized by clicking over them, and then some of them also contain a link. So what does each package include? Visit the services page, see specific package details, and then there's a link to the services page. So this page is designed to just ensure that the users don't need to necessarily reach out to Matt for every question that they have. They can refer to this page and see if the question has been asked before. So one thing I wanted to note before I dive into the other pages within the application is how we authenticate into the employee portal. So there's a customer and an employee portal. The employee portal users must be authenticated before gaining access. So we use a session key, or we generate a session key and then check each page within the employee portal to ensure that there is the correct session key. And if that does not exist, then we kick them out of the employee portal. And then for accessing the customer pages, all anonymous users can access those pages. So we aren't using the IIS server permissions. Instead, we're using session keys to authenticate in between pages. So the next page is the employee login page, and this is the page that employees will go to, or Matt will go to, when they want to gain access to the employee portal. So we'll come in here, and these users already exist in the database. So they enter their credentials and go to log in, and now they're granted access to the employee portal that only authenticated users are able to access. This is the dashboard page where Matt and his employees are automatically navigate to this page upon authenticating themselves to the login page for the employee portal. So on this page, there are a few reports for Matt to view, and this is just the top 20 customers. So there aren't 20 customers in the system right now, but it filters them or sorts them by the amount they spent. And then over here's a report on inventory levels. So just reporting on the quantities remaining for the items listed in the inventory. So also in here, you'll see that appointments can be viewed. So here are the current pending ones. So they're scheduled. And once the work has been done, the workers will come in here and they will change the status to completed, or they will cancel. They have the option to cancel it if an employee or if a customer decided to cancel. But this one will do completed. So update that, and then so see row updated, confirmation, and then you can view the completed one. So one of these is the completed one that we just changed. This is the transaction management page, and this is where Matt and his employees will come to manage the specific details for each transaction that he has completed. So after finishing an appointment, completing the work, he'll come in here to add the specific details that go with each transaction. So we're going to go to the James Bond appointment that we created earlier from the customer side of things. Then we'll enter the date was completed. Okay, so we found the appointment number 7. Okay, then we will add some items to this appointment. So we're going to add the service. You get to select the service package that they selected. So we'll go with the Platinum Wash. So we only had one. Then we'll add that item to the transaction. And then we're also going to add a product. So let's see, he got the black ice air freshener, and he got 2 of these. So we'll add these additional items. So you're done adding the items, and then here's a summary of the items that have been added. Did not utilize a promotion, but here's a drop down of the ones that he's currently offering. And then next we will be submitting the transaction. Okay, cool. So here is the transaction confirmation page, and this just gives a summary of the transaction details. So the grand total was $120, payment method cash, and then the customer details. Alright, so in the inventory management page, this allows Matt and his employees to keep track and just manage all of the inventory on hand. So you can see here is a list of all of the items within Matt's Mobile Detail inventory. So dashboard wipes has a description, whether or not it's for sale, and then the current quantity on hand. So these items could be edited. The quantity you can change that. You can change it to not for sale. You can add new items in here. So if you wanted to add something in here, you just enter the UPC, the rest of the attributes, and then add new, and it would add it to the database. And so in this section of the inventory management page, this is the inventory bookmark. So this allows Matt to store all of the links to external sites that he uses to purchase his inventory. So you'll see here for the dashboard wipes, he has AutoZone, Target, Walmart, and this just allows him to kind of compare prices between the different places and select the lowest price. So over here, you can edit the bookmark information. So select the dashboard wipes. You can add additional bookmark for this, or you can update the bookmark, update one of the already existing bookmarks that you have in there. And then you would just select the vendor, the target, and then change the URL. Then once you're done with that, you submit the link for the inventory item, and it will populate over here. So this next page is the promotion management page, and if you remember on the on the home page of the customer portal, um, you would see these listed there with the current promotions that Matt is offering. So you can edit existing ones. Maybe you wanted to change something, change the wording, or you wanted to end the promotion and then so it no longer shows on the home page. You can do that from here. And then you can also add in new promotions. Maybe you wanted to add in uh, buy one get one free. I think that's actually what this is. But you could add any new promotion. So maybe a military discount. You could put that in here, and then you would just populate when the promotion date is or the start date, and then you can set it to uh, end on a specific day. So maybe it's only open for like a week or a month, and you would just set the end date a week out from the start date, and then add new. So then would then add it into the database. So the next feature I wanted to show is the logout function. So when you click logout, it closes out and deletes the session value that we were using to navigate throughout the employee portal, and you do not have the ability to go back and restore that session value. So once that logout button is pressed, you have to re-authenticate here from the login page.